Students, now we'll discuss about the mass and the weight. First of all, see what is the mass. Mass means it is the amount of matter contained by a body. Okay, so it is the amount of matter contained by a body. Okay, and second thing about the mass, that it is the measurement of inertia. Students, already you have studied in the previous chapter, that is the force and the laws of motion, in which you have studied about the property of the inertia, and you can measure the inertia only by the mass. More mass means more inertia. So this is the second property of the mass. And the third property of the mass is that it is always considered as constant. It is always constant. Okay, it means its value doesn't depend on the conditions or any special place. Okay, its value is same always at the planet, at any type of any planet, earth, or anybody, anywhere. Okay, it is always constant value. Okay, it doesn't change. So this is about the mass. Now you should know about the weight also. Okay, see what is the weight. Weight, actually, it is the force. Okay, means this is the force with which earth attracts a body towards center. Suppose this is the earth, this is the center, so body attracts always towards the center. Okay, every body which is falling or thrown in upward direction, so earth attracts that body towards its center. So weight is actually force. Okay, so that's why the unit of the force is Newton. Okay, so its unit is Newton. Okay, it is the Newton, and but the unit of mass, it is the kilogram only, or the gram in CGS. SI unit is kilogram. So weight is the force and its unit is Newton. Okay, so gravitational unit, another unit you can say it is the kilogram weight also, or the gram weight, or it is also known as the kilogram force. So these are the units of the force. Now dear students, as I told you, force means the weight with which earth attracts by a body. You know the formula of the gravitational force. It is given by F is equal to G M. If M is the mass of the earth, so ME, and small m is the mass which is falling, and it is the R, E is the radius of the earth, so formula is the F is equal to G MEM upon RE squared. This is the gravitational force. This is the force with which earth attracts a body towards the center. We know a formula F is equal to MA. Okay, already studied in the previous chapter. Here m is the mass of the body and the a is the acceleration with which body is moving. But if acceleration already produced by the force, and here if the force is the gravitational force, in that case you will write this formula as F is equal to mg, where the g is the gravitation, acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so here you will replace a by g. Okay, here the g is the acceleration due to gravity and the a was the linear acceleration. Okay, or uniform acceleration, and here it is acceleration due to gravity. So if I put F is equal to mg here, so mg is equal to g MEM upon RE square. So MM is cancelled here, so g is equal to g ME upon RE square. So using the concept of the weight, we can find a relation between the capital G and the small g, and we have already studied about this. Okay, so this is the difference between the mass and the weight, and you know the relation between them also. Relation between m and relation between mass and weight. See, what is the relation? F is equal to the relation between the, so because F is equal to mg and it is equal to the force is the equal to the weight, so W is equal to mg is the relation between the weight and the mass of the body. Okay, so remember the relation between the mass and the weight. Okay, so this is about the differences about the mass and the weight. Thank you, students. In next video we'll discuss about the pressure and the thrust.